Here's the app called AnyTrans Photo Voice Text. So here's the app. It's quite high in the charts these days. It's a powerful app for everyday life. Translation function can easily help you translate various languages in your life. I am afraid that you will not be able to understand their languages. Fear not. So great translator, AnyTrans. This is AI translator app. So let's just take a look. And then you can just open it up. And then two language, Hindi. So here you can then just see to which language you want to translate to. So there you have it. So you can translate to French, German, or Hindi. I don't know. All right, let's translate to German. Honestly, I don't know whether this app is like super legit. And then you can just enter text. And then there are a lot of ads. So I don't know. And then you can translate German to, so something like that. Maybe it's good for like Hindi, and then you can use camera voice phrases. You can just learn all of that. But then there are a lot of ads in here. So that's where you have it. So that's the app. I don't know. What do you think? Is this app legit or like yeah? There you have it.